Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about still broke? If so, watch this 3-minute vid. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I promise you something, all the top earners you see online today sell products to bring in cash flow very quickly. I am assuming that you want to be a top earner making the big bucks, collecting awards on stage, and building a global empire, yes? If so, doesn't it make sense to play the game like the top earners who are right now making the big bucks, collecting awards on stage, and building global empires? That makes sense, right? Find the people who have what you want, and do what they do. As you click the link below, the answer is waiting for you here. Greater than link in the description box. And no, this does not compete with your biz OPP, MLM that you love and promote, if you have one. In fact, it fuels it faster than you ever dreamed possible. Just check it out. If you don't like the idea of selling your own products, keeping 100%, and funding and fueling your biz starting today, then you don't even need to watch the full 3 minutes video that is waiting for you when you click here. Greater than link in the description box. Talk soon. Richard Murphy. Thanks for watching my video about still broke. If so, watch this 3-minute vid. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.